What's up, y'all? We are at Truist Park, home of the Atlanta Braves, and we're playing tonight in front of 40,000 people, completely sold out. Bananas versus the Party Animals. It's gonna be a great day. I'm so excited. I grew up an Atlanta Braves fan, and I could not be more pumped for this. So let's have a day and go Bananas. Come on.
Mauldin, the hero, his second walk-off of the night. Bananas win 5-4.
I think out of all the places that we're gonna play at this year, this place I was looking forward to the most. And so I'm really excited to get some at-bats here, make some trick plays, do some fun things on the field like that. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little view of this field real quick. Check this out. All right, there's the outfield wall. That's the left field. We're in the Battery, so we're downtown Atlanta. This place is so sick. Look at this. And this is gonna be absolutely slammed tonight and tomorrow. Like, what is life? This is crazy. So anyways, I'm gonna take you guys throughout the day. It's Bananas versus the Party Animals today here at Truist Park. So let's do this thing. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. All right, y'all, locker room check. Check this out. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you got it.
Look at this thing. This place is nice. All right, chat. This is my official locker in the Atlanta Braves locker room. No biggie. I got all my essentials here. I got my jerseys. I got my camo. We got a new Louisville Slugger cover up. Shout out LSKD. Enjoy the journey. Love them. We're about to get ready to go to the field, hit some BP, do some trick plays, and I'm gonna take y'all all through it. Let's do it.
Everything that he just said, we about to do.
For real. All right, y'all, we're here at Truist Park, home of the Atlanta Braves, my favorite baseball team, and we're about to hit BP on the field, so let's have a day. All right, let's do this thing. All right, y'all, we're taking ground balls here. This is so cool. But we're gonna do some trick plays instead. Let's do it. This is crazy, bro. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Hype.
What I be doing there?
All right, we're in the lounge right now. Eating a little bit. This is a cool spot though, look at this.
Hey, sing it, oh.
And I'm about to go outside and sing to rehearse. All right, y'all, I'm going to rehearse outside with my guitar. I don't know where it is, but I'm gonna try to find it.
Hey, how you guys doing? How's the vlog doing today?
Yeah, how we feeling?
I don't know. I feel vibes feel good to me.
Feel good to me. Let's do it. See, Joey? Yo, I feel like I'm just walking. I have no clue where I'm going, and I've just kept walking and haven't found where I gotta be. So we'll see if we find it. All right, y'all, found the stage. We're out here. I'm gonna sound check really quick, and then I'll be singing out here a little bit later.
Check.
If I never get to see northern lights, if I never get to see the Eiffel Tower at night, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, no, in case you didn't know, oh.
All right, sound check. Emily and Noah want to say hi?
Hi, vlog!
Hi there. Are you ready for today?
So excited!
All right, y'all, sound check is over. Now back on the field, we're about to go over rehearsals. And so rehearsals are things that we do during the game. So we'll have dances, we'll have big celebrations. When we walk off an inning, we get hit by a pitch, we hit a home run, we always celebrate. So that's what these rehearsals are about to be.
All right, run celebrations for the night. We're gonna dance with Brandon for the first one. We're gonna party on home plate. Then the second one is gonna be the Mosby dance. And then when it gets dark, we're gonna do Georgia on My Mind with Dalton or with DR. And Dalton is gonna be on the dugout. And that's where everybody's gonna be. And it's gonna be awesome.
All right, so I was rehearsing outside doing sound check, so I missed a bunch of that. But I'm gonna get some video from Malachi because I know he's always filming it. So these clips are from Malachi. Thank you, Malachi, for these clips. Appreciate you, bro.
Right here. Yeah, that's best. Here we go.
Hey!
right, y'all, just hanging out before the peel. Now we're back on the field, about to go to VIB. VIB is very important bananas. We're gonna sign some autographs, take some pictures, hang out for a little bit, and just have a good day. So we are getting closer to game time. Let's do this thing, come on. All right, this is VIB. Everybody's out here on the field hanging out, having a good time. So let's go sign some autographs and make some people's day. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're done with VIB. Sorry I didn't get any clips of that. Now we're about to go welcome the fans into the stadium, and they're gonna be rocking and rolling, and they're gonna have some time to get into these seats, and we're gonna chill for a little bit and then get ready to warm up. Let's go. Have a good day. We're walking back to the field. We're actually in the players' parking lot now. There's some really nice cars behind me. Andy asked me, all right, if I played in MLB, would I have a really nice car? And I said, I'd probably just have a really nice truck. It'd be expensive, yeah. But it'd be like a Ford Raptor, brand new probably.
I would get a Toyota Tacoma for sure.
Tacoma?
Yeah.
Brand new?
I think I would just get a little used Tacoma and probably wouldn't do anything to it, bro.
Just
Incognito.
incognito.
Yes.
Okay.
Enough room for the boards in the back.
Yes, sir. All right, we're ready to rock and roll, heading out of the field. Let's see if anybody's here yet. Oh, yeah. That's people showing up now. All right, about that time. About to get stretched, rock and roll. We're gonna have a good day. Atlanta Braves Stadium, let's do this thing, come on. All right, y'all, me and Ryan are about to warm up. People are starting to come in the stadium. People are getting in this stadium. It's a good day. We're excited to be here. Truist Park. Never thought I'd get to play at the Atlanta Braves Stadium, but here we are. I'm rocking this today. You already know, peep that. New leather. Let's go, let's have a day. Hopefully I won't overthrow Ryan today, but I'm sure that I will. Ryan's videographer Hutch is trusting me way too much right now. He doesn't know I overthrow Ryan all the time. All right, y'all. Fans are coming in. We're about to get our warm-up going. Me and Ryan stretch and throw. We're feeling good. It's a beautiful day. Fans are getting in here. We're playing at Truist Park, baby. Home of the Braves. Let's go. Always wanted to do this. I'm so pumped. Super thankful for this day. Super thankful for this opportunity. And we're going to play our hearts out today and put on the best show in sports, because that's what we do. Let's go. All right, y'all. Party Animals are coming in here. Let's beat these guys for real.
I think Tanner's feeling himself today. I'm not sure yet. What do you think?
We're going to find out. I think so. Yes, probably.
A little bit. He felt it a little bit.
He was feeling it. Taylor feeling it a little bit.
Call yourself the greatness!
Yeah.
Combination! Leadership! Not swing at anything on the solid! Daddy hat!
Yeah. Come on.
Absolutely raked
Scouting him out. Look at
Absolutely
this.
raked this guy today.
Bro's on TikTok live right now.
Cowboy hat? Yeah, okay, buddy.
Our lineups are getting announced right now. We about to do this thing. You already know. Let's go. Game time. All right, let's do this thing. Come on. Hey, man. It's such a blessing. I mean, look at, you know what? Cut the act. BTA. That's what we do. And ATL. Go in there, have fun. Let's turn out.
Hey, I'm a Georgia boy. Soak it in, bro. It's been a long way. We came a long way. Everybody soak it in. Have fun tonight. Leave it out there. Let's go. Have fun on three. 1, 2, 3. Have fun.
All right, y'all. We got Donnie on the mound starting off. We're going to get this game going. We're going to play some ball. Let's go. Start the clock. Showtime. Let's go, Donnie. Attaboy. Attaboy, Donnie. Let's go. All right, hot stop for the Nanas. Let's play some ball. All right, y'all, a little score update. We walked off in the first inning, so it is the second inning right now, 1-0, Bananas are up, and we got to keep putting it on them. Let's go. All right, y'all, score update right now. It's top of the fourth. Bananas are up 1-0. Got a lot of game left to score a lot of runs, and that's what we're going to do. All right, I'm here with the DH, Dan Obers. Dan, give me some game predictions on today. What do you got?
Bananas win. Bananas win 4-2.
Yeah.
Big ninth inning. I feel a crazy ninth inning. This next inning, I lead off, and I'm going to smoke a double. And the boys are going to have fun, and this is a really cool experience. And I love you, Dalton.
Love you too, bro. All right, we got Prime on the mound right now. Prime's about to start dealing. Let's go, Prime. Oh, ball hit it right. And the Party Animals are on the board, but that does not mean that we can't get more on the board. So let's rock and roll. All right, Armando's up, and if he strikes out, everybody gets donuts. Well, not everybody, but we're gonna try to get everybody donuts. No donuts. All right, we got Coach Rack on the bat. Off Benson. See what he's got. Yes. Good job, Rack. All right, we got Bill at the bat. We got Bill's mom on the board. Look at this. All right, I'm calling Bill's going yard here. And that error is going to give a bananas tie for the inning. 2-2, we need one more to walk this thing off. KJ, thank you for not breaking my bat, buddy. The world's tallest hitter coming up right now. Let's go, Stilts. Come on, Stilts. Come on, Stilts. Hey, Stilts has a chance to walk it off. Attaboy, good swing, Bubba. Oh, we got a little players dance. Look at the boys. Yeah. Good job, boys. Attaboy. All right, look at this. Look at this walk up. Hey, good swing, Ty. Good swing. All right, y'all, a little score update right now. It is 1-0 in the 7th inning. Not many runs getting scored. Tied an inning, but really that's it. Just had Charlie Culberson come in here. He flew out, but a good dude did a backflip. That was pretty cool. And now we're back in the same rock and roll. Let's go. All right, y'all, it's the 8th inning right now. Bananas are up 1-0. Let's score some more runs and make this a little less close. All right, ties up right now. All right, if you know what that sound means, you know that's the 9th inning. 9th inning, we just walked it off. It's 2-0. We hold them here, it's over. Let's go. We got Danny Hosley on the mound. He's gonna close this thing out. Come on, Hos. One time. Good job, baby. All right, Hos versus Skull. I'm calling a strikeout by Skull. I told you. Attaboy, Hos, let's go. One more out and Bananas win this thing. Let's go. Backflip DR. All right, y'all, that is the end of the game. Today was awesome. It is so cool getting to play a banana ball game here at Truist Park. Home of the Atlanta Braves. Like, I feel like 80% of the guys on the team are Atlanta Braves fans. So this was a big day for us. Cannot be more grateful to play at a place like this. This is so beautiful. We got the tarp on the field because it's probably going to rain, so I hope it doesn't rain out here. What a blessing this is. This has been incredible. The fact that I grew up being a Braves fan, always wanted to play on the field. I actually got to run the bases, the old stadium at Turner Field when I was really little, which was like the coolest experience ever. And here I am getting to play a game on the field, which is unbelievable, you know? So really grateful for this opportunity, and I'm so grateful that you guys watch these vlogs and come in here every week to watch these. They're so much fun to make, and it means the world that you guys watch all these. It's something I get to come back and look on years down the road, and this is a way for me to document this and show you guys what we do and how it all goes down. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching the vlogs. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see y'all next week. Here's a song snippet. Peace.
'Cause you're the bee's knees. Call you my honey all season. Better than money, like a lucky rabbit. Gotta have it, you're a habit. You know I'm keeping. You know I'm keeping.